This recipe is going to be a fish taco. And essentially we're just going to use, again, the rockfish boneless fillet. And we're going to actually just cut them into bite-sized pieces. We'll show you how to do that in a minute. And then we are going to fry it, and then we're going to put it with two sauces. One is a sour cream with a little bit of dill, so I'm just going to start making the sauces now. This is really simple, just straight sour cream, and I'm going to be chopping a little bit of dill into it. Just very, very finely chopped, and of course dill itself is very fine already, so it doesn't take very much. Put this in, and a little bit of salt. I always love to put a little bit of lemon zest in this sauce. So we're going to drop a little bit of that in, and then also a little bit of the juice. That goes in, stir it together, and then you have one sauce ready. And now we're going to be doing the salsa. Now the salsa itself, I have chopped tomatoes, and I also have some chopped onions over here. And typically what I like to do is actually put the lime juice, for example, into the onions, and also put some salt in at the same time. So just fold this in, and then also a wee bit of heat here would be good. So I'm just going to put in a little bit of jalapeno peppers. Serranos work really well as well, and then cilantro goes in, and a fair amount of salt. Kind of makes me hungry. So the salsa fresca is ready, and now I have to deal with the fish. Lovely rockfish fillets, and what I try to do is to actually cut them almost like stick fingers size. So we'll start with that, and then we'll go like this. And this way it's quite manageable, and when you actually go to fry it and cook it, it will cook reasonably fast as well. And then also the shape of it will actually fit into a taco shell really quite well. And for seasoning, this is kind of like my favorite and easy method, but I also call it a quick shake and bake. So you get a plastic bag, it could be a Ziploc bag, it could be anything like that, and put a bit of salt in, a bit of pepper, and then in this case I'm going to also put in a little bit of ancho chili powder as well, and then some cornstarch, roughly about a tablespoon or so for this much, and then throw the fish in and give it a lot of air like this, right? And twist it so that it's kind of like a balloon like this, and then you just give it like a shake. And pretty soon you see that the cornstarch actually gets taken from the side, and the fish is well coated. You open it up, and you have your fish right there. So now it's time to turn on the heat. A good bit of oil, and a little bit of butter. And when you see it foam like this is a great kind of medium to fry fish. When you see it bubble like this, because it's also the perfect temperature. Be a little patient, just wait for it to brown on the one side, and then we'll turn it over, and then we're almost done. See, the cornstarch gives it a nice little crust. So now it's done. Take it out and put it on a paper towel or something like that. As you can see, that the fish is actually flaking and falling apart, and that's exactly what you want it to do when it's finished just cooking. And then you can start assembling the tacos. Tortilla, a bit of shredded lettuce, then pieces of fish on top, lettuce wood, and then a bit of salsa, a little bit of the sour cream, and you have like a taco right there. We'll make another one, and then a couple of pieces of fish. Maybe a little bit of lime just to garnish. There you go, wild rockfish tacos.